you want to put me up for fear? How me pass to God them be so?
Yo, more big up Breakfast Entertainment and them make the video possible. One Breakfast Entertainment, one me pen, you know what that go. Mad. Yo, YouTube, we're back in our place again. Episode 7 with it. I don't even know which part we're there now, bro. But we're there back in a Mapen. I now left until we give $5,000 more. We'll find one more winner. You see me do me intro. One TK, the black of the camera. Instagram, the on the left. What the on the right? TikTok the on the right. Bro, you have so much socials, but you don't even know where you're on. Just go follow my dog, one TK, the black of the camera. Follow one duttyboiilee. Right now, we are going out in the streets and see if we find nobody. TK, which way we are going? Up the road? Forward.
I say no DMS music on YouTube, you see? TikTok, you know, so DMS we're living here. One prayer for love. Hands up.
So there with the brightest girl in the Mapen.
Don't believe him, guys.
Yeah. Ready for win $5,000. Where you say 10K? Yeah, double it for him. 10K for the G. Why you introduce yourself, bro?
Yeah, what John?
The car 6.
On Instagram, Ashley, low caps, Ashley _2 crazy.
On TikTok, they _8 bubbles. On gram bubbles that _ that one la.
I'm Shantavia. Nakishan. J Frost for all platform.
Kanji _2 for all platforms. Any Rajay on TikTok and IG.
Jay-Z me TikTok and IG.
T Frost on TikTok and IG. Chat me name Adiva here.
Name one _slim doll for IG.
MJT.
I want Mal.
Chloe Instagram, that girl Chloe.
First question. How many months have 28 days?
February.
Wait. Repeat the question. How many months have 28 days?
February.
So when you say on the bride?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Now we start it off easy. How many months have 28 days?
February.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
How many months have 28 days?
February.
Let me say it was no one.
But me say two.
Me say it set time.
And then the trial.
Set time me say the bride.
Fully done.
How many months have 28 days?
One.
How many months have 28 days?
February.
Where you say? February.
How many months?
Listen again, you know. How many months have 28 days?
28. Yeah. February. And February. Destiny. How much months have 28 days? February.
March.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
March?
February.
May I give you one more chance?
February.
How many months have 28 days?
1 month.
Yeah, February. What would you say?
February. What no say? February. Me say no man.
Supposed to say that wrong.
No February. January.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
January.
January.
Something like that.
Let's take question again. How many months have 28 days?
And February. How much months have 28 days? Exactly, February. How much months? You think me are at 28? I'm February. And I'm February. This may come help me. And so on February.
February.
Yeah. Hey, don't ship online, no?
May I ask you again?
Okay.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? How many months? Wait, ask me again.
How many months have 28 days?
The bag upset me though, but I.
Bag. DK, one bag.
You're not cute. I'm sorry, but how many months? How many months? No months now have 20. Wait, ask the question again.
Wait, so none of them?
No, ask the question again.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 days? How many months have 28 days? Yeah, that don't make no sense. You stupid.
Oh, it don't make no sense.
How many months have 28 days? Say it again, can't me brain now words. Like, one more time.
Yo, me not understand. You good?
Alright, say it again.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
One last time.
Alright.
How many months have 28 days?
How many months have 28 months? How many months have 28? No months have 28 days.
You're serious?
All of them have 28 days.
No? Oh yes, well I'm on them have 28 days for true.
How many months have 28 days?
All of them.
How many months have 28 days?
12.
No, girl, I get 12. One.
It's actually 12.
And me get it right, 12.
And you laugh off your friend?
Yeah, me get
Have
it
28
right.
days?
Yes,
Yeah.
12.
Second question. Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with the letter T?
4 days of the week we start with T.
Yeah. You know none of them?
Repeat the question.
Alright,
You know the days of the week?
Yes.
Alright, why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with T?
Thursday and Tuesday. Thursday and Tuesday.
A 4 of them more.
4 days of the week. We'll start with the
Letter T.
T. Tuesday. Thursday.
A 2 times a Thursday or...
Gucci, repeat.
Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with T?
4 days of the week, that starts with T.
Yeah. Yes, I look over upon the dog, so I come in, bro. I'm TJT.
Now Thursday,
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Yeah.
4 days of the week.
the something like that.
Why you name 4 days out of the week? We start with the letter T.
Start with T.
Yeah.
But a week.
Out of the week. The 4 days them in the week, we start with the letter T.
Na Tuesday.
Yeah.
Nothing else today.
Why you tell me 4 days of the week we start with T?
4 days a week we start with T.
Yeah, the letter T. Name them out now.
We start with T, right?
Yeah, them start with T.
4.
4. Ready?
A Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday. And what else?
We start with T.
Yeah.
You have, watch him. I know this I answer, I know, I just name them all.
Name them
You
out.
have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah. And why you give me 4 of them we start with T?
A trick question this.
Really, nigga?
No, it was at all one in there. One went to teeth.
Oh yeah.
Saturday.
Wait. Tuesday, Thursday.
Listen.
Today and tomorrow. No, we have more Saturday. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And what else?
Saturday start with T. Boy, you name 4 days of the week we start with the letter T. We say Monday?
No, I'm never say Monday. So me say Monday. Don't tell them lie upon me.
Oh, sorry, hold on.
Thursday. Sunday.
Sunday?
You have teen day.
Sunday.
No,
Sunday have teen day.
Saturday. Sorry. Saturday.
Sunday or Saturday? Which one? Saturday.
Yeah.
That start with the letter T.
You say have tea night. You
No.
don't know what you say.
I want you to name 4 days of the week. We start with the letter T.
Listen to the question one more time. Name 4 days of the week. We start with the letter T.
Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursday. What else? Up to today and tomorrow. The 4 days them out of the week we start with the letter T.
Me here today and tomorrow. Today, tomorrow.
Today, tomorrow.
Tuesday, Thursday.
Tuesday, Thursday. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I eat that. Thursday, Tuesday. Start with the letter T, you say? Yeah.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay.
And Matiado?
No.
Oh.
Right. Today, tomorrow, Tuesday, Thursday.
4 days a week. Tuesday. Thursday. Help me now, girl. You tell them yourself.
And 2 of them.
4. Where you get 4 from?
Yeah, you know the other two?
No, the other 2 that did it.
More 4 days of the week we start with T.
But I only 2 did it. Where you get 4 from?
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You give up?
Me certain.
You give up?
Me not give up. Me certain.
What you say?
Me no know.
No
4 days a week we start with.
We start with T. 4 days of the week we start with T.
1, 2. Me no know. Me give up.
Tuesday, Thursday, today,
And tomorrow.
Oh.
Tuesday and Thursday.
Thursday. Tomorrow. Tuesday, Thursday, tomorrow. I win.
Answer 30.
Yo, pay attention.
A Tuesday and Thursday alone me here now.
Tomorrow, Tomorrow.
One more.
And today, yeah.
A 4 of them there, man.
4.
Yeah.
So if me say Tuesday and Thursday 2 times, I correct.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Alright, last one. Let's say you have a brother named John and he working at a meat shop. The thing is, John is 3 feet tall, but he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh?
Say it again.
Alright, let's say you have a brother named John and John works at a meat shop. The thing is, John is 3 feet tall, but he wears size 8 in his shoes. What does John weigh? You know that one there?
Yes, 15.
Where you going?
15.
15? Where you get that?
Wait. How much I say in size? How much inside
Listen to
food?
the question again. Let's say you have a brother named John who works at a meat shop.
Yeah.
The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall and he wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
What?
You have a brother named John who work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall. So him little so. But him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
And oh,
Let's say I have a brother named John and he work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall. But he wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
And we are
3 feet tall, size 8 in a shoes. That means anyway about 3 pounds.
3 pound?
Or something like that.
Remember say him 3 foot tall, you know, and he wear size 8.
3 pounds like what? 3. Final answer 3 pounds.
3 pound?
Or 3.5.
3.5? Not wrong. Me have one more chance. Listen to the question again. You have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is 3 feet tall. So him short so.
Yeah, listen.
And him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
You are 3 feet tall and you wear size 8 in a shoe. 3 and 8 how much?
Let's say you have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. But John is 3 feet tall and he wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
Level.
You have a brother named John who work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall and him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
3 feet tall.
Who no good na maths? You know 3 times 8.
3 times 8 are 24.
you smart.
3 and 8. 3 and 8.
You wear 11 pounds.
11 pound?
Yeah.
No, me not feel like that. Me not feel like that.
Then what then?
3 feet tall. And you wear size 8 in a shoe. Me no know. Me no know.
I'm 11 pounds.
11 pound? How you get that?
Cause 8 plus 3 no 11.
8 plus 3 11.
Yeah.
8 plus
You want to try again?
but
I know 11, you know.
Do you know what? If you answer back a question,
24.
So 24.
super.
Alright, you have a brother named John and he work around at the meat shop. But John is 3 feet tall. But he wears size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
15 pounds.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying, how? Like, talk to me, bro.
So, him weigh 24 pound.
No. Wait, 38.
38.
Yeah.
John weigh 38 pound.
How you get that?
Me no know.
You have a brother who named John and he work around at the meat shop. But John is only 3 feet tall. And he wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
Repeat that.
You have a brother John who work around at the meat shop. But him 3 feet tall. So him little so. But him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
Meat. That easy, man. That easy, man.
That easy. Them a bust them brain. Level?
Yeah. Level. Level.
John wear meat. Him work around at the meat shop. Him wear meat. Let's say I have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, so him little so. But he wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
Meat. Let me tell you.
You're smart, yeah.
No, meet you here.
You're smart, you.
So that 2 we get.
let's say I have a brother named John and him work around at the meat shop. The thing is, John is only 3 feet tall, but him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
When we
Yeah.
mid.
Yeah, you get the last one there. You get 2 out of 3. If you have a brother named John who work around at the meat shop. But the thing is, John is only 3 feet tall. So him both short so. And him wear size 8 in a shoes. What does John weigh?
What you say? Come again, what you say? Meat. Meat shop in work though. Meat shop you say work.
Yo, we reach at the end of the video. How much winner we get? TK, how much money you give away? I never remember how much people win. About 1 or 2 or 3, you know. But guess what? I not left until I give you 5 grand more. I need to give you 5 more grand. Make sure so you like, comment, share, subscribe. 1 TK, never 2, the black of the camera. See it over here, so. Follow him on the Instagram, follow him on the TikTok. Yo, big up everybody who subscribe. Big up everybody who put the thumbs up button. Big up everybody who comment. Yo, I love the whole of you. Watch your style here. Next week again. We out.